The Gefolly SL-11000W solar streetlights deliver impressively bright, cool daylight coverage that can easily illuminate large driveways, courts, or parking areas. Its high-capacity lithium battery and dual solar panels work together to store plenty of energy, keeping the light running reliably through long nights and overcast stretches. The fixture is built with a rugged, weather-resistant housing that shrugs off heavy rain and dust, making it a dependable choice for year-round outdoor use. A handheld remote lets you fine-tune brightness, switch between continuous and timed modes, and adjust settings from a distance without climbing a ladder. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included hardware for wall or pole mounting, and the completely wireless design means you do not have to run power cables. Gefolly backs this solar streetlight with a multi-year support policy, which adds peace of mind for anyone installing it in critical security or commercial locations.